The kind of person I am, if it's not a fight I want to highlight on, but yes, the argument and the reason of argument, I think these things are very interesting, and why not? I would want to write on my blog that what was the issue between us and what do I think about the matter, because as I told you, I know nothing about politics and sports, but yes, I love to have arguments on topics related to films and related to cinema and everything, so I would want to do that.
करना अगर देखा जाए तो कम ही टाइम में बॉलीवुड की एक सक्सेस एक्टर आप बन चुके हैं। कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि कटरीना, दीपिका पादुकोण, बाकी कई बड़े एक्टर्स एक्टर हैं, इन सब से इंस्पायर होकर के आपने वेबसाइट का आइडिया निकाला है?
देखिए, if you see Katrina and Aishwarya, they're all my seniors, and if I even get inspired by them, so what is wrong in that? See, relationship is something very personal. I won't be like making statements on my relationship, but yes, if somebody is keen to know something particular about my relationship, I have no issues. I can always reply to their mails. See,
अमिताभ बच्चन आपको इंस्पायर करते हैं?
See, the thing is that it's very, very stupid and immature of me if I would say that I want to date somebody who is already married and so much senior to me. So I remember yesterday they asked me a question: who would you want to go for a lunch with? So I said Amir Khan. So now this is what you call Chinese whisper. So it has turned into a date, and maybe it gets into now after a month into a marriage that Kangna wants to marry Amir Khan, and anything. So that's what a website is for. See, I'm nominated in IFA, and that's why I'm going there. And it has, I don't think there is any promotional event for kites is happening or not, but yes, I am going to be seen there because of the fashion nomination I have got. The first reason would be that me and my publicist Geetika, we've been tired of rumors like me doing a nude scene, or I am 30-year-old, or I am getting married to somebody, or I am running away, leaving my job, doing some fashion designing course. So it was like more than news. It was something like just misguiding people, and I'll meet people coming up to me. Oh, so now you are a designer. So I'm like, I don't know this about my life. So basically, a lot of rumors and speculations, which I think from media side is fine, because there is they cannot reach me direct, and I think they are just speculation. So me and Geetika, we were looking out for something through which we can at least clarify and can update even media and people who really bother to know about my life, them with the recent events, whether I make friends with anybody, or I fight with anybody, or I am leaving a project, I'm getting into a project, like everything in my life, we can I can directly talk to my fans and even media people.
But would you really, would you really write on your blog if you fought with anyone?
Yes, I will. At least the kind of person I am. If it's not a fight I want to highlight on, but yes, the argument and the reason of argument, I think these things are very interesting, and why not? I would want to write on my blog that what was the issue between us and what do I think about the matter, because as I told you, I know nothing about politics and sports, but yes, I love to have arguments on topics related to films and related to cinema and everything, so I would want to do that. Sorry? See, life secret, since I have come into films, I was 18-year-old, and from then there is nothing which people don't know about my life. So yes, we don't have a very secretive life, as you can see, being filmy people, where we go for dinner also, like everybody knows that they were there last night and having dinner. So there is nothing like secretive, but as I told you, like these little memories that half the people think that I have studied in Delhi, but today I showed you this picture, all of them are from Chandigarh. I have actually done my schooling from Chandigarh, and I was in a hostel there. So things like this I would want to clarify.
Hey, does it become more responsible, like you have to become more responsibility comes more, like you have to give much time to your website also?
It's basically it's not a responsibility for actors, because like we have like people working with us, like I have my publicist with me, so anything I want to write on my blog, I can always, if I'm shooting, I'm working, I can always tell her, like these are the new pictures I want to update, and these are my friends, I'm shooting on these locations now, so I have some nice pictures from my set, so let's put it on the site. So like we have people working with us, so we are not alone. So it's not that everything we have to do. So yeah, they are great help. Yeah.
Kangana, considering the fact that now you have a website to begin with, how computer savvy are you? And have you given any creative inputs to this particular website?
No, I haven't, because I know nothing about computer. Just I can email and receive emails, and now whatever about the website, Gitika will has taken me through everything. So that's all I know about it basically. I don't think somebody has to be perfect. Like I've been a biology student, so I have always hated physics. So and
One second, just a sec, guys, don't cross. Also, just to add to that, all the photographs on this, Kangana has chosen personally.
Yeah.
Also, the design for the scrapbook is something that Kangana really wanted because it was a personal touch. So, yeah.
Celebrity bizarre thing you've read about yourself?
I have like a lot of them, seriously, lot of them. And in the recent time, I have heard that I'm 30-year-old, and I've been hiding about. I have no issues with growing old, and I would love to grow old, have wrinkles, and have gray hair. But that's not the truth. So like it really hurts because you come across as a person who's not happy being who you are, which is not the case with me. I have never lied about anything in my life. So I would want to be like that, and I would want to be projected like that, who has been always honest and done what I always wanted to do.
Today almost all the celebrities
Talking open about
Sohail, can you please? No. Sohail, please wait. Your question.
Today, almost all the celebrities have their own personal sites and blogs. How is this different? Is there anything different? Big attempt to make it different from the others?
See, in my case, yes, we have tried to make it look very personal. Like if you see the design of the site is also like a scrapbook. So and like nobody has put their personal childhood pictures and about family pictures in the website. In my case, I have tried to make it as much personal as I can, and like I will be writing it not like my statement for this issue. What do I think about Obama, or what do I think about international terrorism? No issues like that. It will be more about answers to my fan mails. It will be more about more answers to people who personally have asked me for. So it will be on a very personal base. They can email me. They liked my work. They didn't like my work. What they think I should do about my dresses, about the way I talk, about the way I act, my voice. So it will be on a very personal level.
कंगना अगर देखा जाए तो कम ही टाइम में बॉलीवुड की एक सक्सेस एक्टर आप बन चुके हैं। ऐसा तो नहीं कि कटरीना, दीपिका पादुकोण, बाकी कई बड़े एक्टर्स एक्टर इन सबसे इंस्पायर होकर के आपने वेबसाइट का आइडिया निकाला है।
देखिए, if you see Katrina and Aishwarya, they're all my seniors, and if I even get inspired by them, so what is wrong in that? See, relationship is something very personal. I won't be like making statements on my relationship, but yes, if somebody is keen to know something particular about my relationship, I have no issues. I can always reply to their mails.
But Ganga, your family is there on the website, your friend is there, we're only missing Adhe on the side.
No, he's there in the event.
He is, yeah, in event pictures he's there.
What does he think about you doing this website? What are his insights on that?
Well, I have not asked him regarding this, so I have, yeah.